First thing you do when you reach down to the bar is you go like this. It's not a very strong position to be in. What I want you to do first is break at the hips. Right. This is your football position right here. Watch what happens here. Yeah. Resist, resist, resist. There you go. Yes. There you go. That's your football position. So the way that you go approach the bar is not to bend your knees. It's to break at the hips first. Stop, vertical shin, go down and grab it. Yeah. Go down, grab the bar, put a little tension on it. Watch what happens here. See how stable you are? You have to create tension in the deadlift. Yes. The squat, you have the stretch reflex. Right. The deadlift, you don't. This last piece, when you get in here, go ahead and jam your knees and your elbows. Right here. See, right here. Ooh. Tightness. I want to exaggerate in 2 steps, so to make sure that you don't just reach down to the bar, break at the hips, and then go down tight into the bar. Nice. Yes. Nice. Oh yeah. Good, Vinny D.
Former distance runner. We've got 2 incredible people here. We've got Stan Efferding, the world's strongest bodybuilder. We just had an epic podcast, and obviously I'm pretty fired up right now. And we've got Coach Granville Mayer's natural world masters powerlifting champion who's writing my workouts right now. So this is new territory for Vinny. I know some of you guys, this is baby weights for you. Hey, this is brand new weight for Vinny, so show some respect. Let's go. We're gonna go for 435 for 1 today.
Tight, really tight. Big air, squeeze that bar hard. Squeeze that bar. Push, 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 push.
Woo! Holy mackerel.
Hey,
I felt great.
Yep. So if you get down into the hole and then you're trying to get position here, that's nothing.
Right.
You have to get the position here. And then pull yourself down with the kegel, tighten yourself in. Now you've created all the tension. You've loaded the spring. Pop out of the hole.
So you load it all before you go in. Yeah, I think I'm missing
2 methods.
Some of that.
Larry will breathe here. And then he's done. He doesn't take another breath. He goes and rips it. He's tight. He's compressed here. Lily Bridge he'll pull, and then you watch him do this. Right here, he's breathing. And then he's compressing it.
He pulls it down.
So you gotta feel the air and then compress it like this so it blows. That's your spring.
Yeah, it was an honor, man. Thank you so much. Today, that was fun. A lot of fun. Go check this guy out. Stan Efferding on YouTube. And where can they find out about the vertical diet, man?
At theverticaldiet.com.
There you go. That was awesome. All right. Well, when I hit 500, I'll let you know.
Yeah. Oh, you're already there.
Yeah, I'm already there.
You're already there. That's
Give me a
awesome.
goal. I need to go by the let's say springtime.
Yeah.
What's a good goal for me?
You get the diet right. Get some sleep under you. You already got 500. What's spring? March? Yeah. I think you could be. I think you could be at the 585. We'll go over 6 wheels.
585?
Yeah, you could have hit 500 a day already, so that's not a...
Okay, we're not... Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah. Gotcha. 585. There you guys go. You guys heard it. Hold me accountable. All right, it's awesome.